Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf bar in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf bar. There are two identical door shelf bars used in this refrigerator. They are both located on the fresh food door. The bars keep items on the shelves. The main reason to replace the door shelf bar is if it's broken or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove this door shelf bar, we need to remove this end cap. Side bracket. I'm going to use one of the fingers, the one you prefer. I'm going to pull on this and remove it. Then I'm going to slide it out. And now I can slide the whole bar out. This is the old door shelf bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And installation would be in reverse. I'm going to slide this on. And I'm going to install this one. And I'm going to press it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.